Hey, what's up everyone, Zulfikar here and welcome again to the FN channel. And in this video, I will be unboxing the Awei T10C True Wireless Earbuds. Alright guys, let's have a look at the packaging itself. At the front we have the Awei logo with its tagline for all kinds of music. Awei was well known for its electronic accessories, mostly headphones, earphones, and wireless earbuds. So at the back of the box, there is not much of information about the product, only shows the model type of the company address, which is from Shenzhen, China. It's a really simple packaging, so let's open it and see what's inside. Okay, firstly we're going to see the charging case inside this plastic, and the sticker here it is telling a few tips before using the earbuds. So this earbud comes with two color variation, black and white. In my hand I have the black colored version, but personally I love all my earbuds to be black colored. So here it is. It's really nice looking. So inside we have the earbuds. Well, let's put that aside for a bit and see what's inside the box. So firstly, we have the small pouch to store the earbuds. I really do appreciate they included this type of item because it gives value to the user. So that's just stored in there. Next up we have the user manual. It comes in two languages, Chinese and English. And next up we have the micro USB cable. It's a short one, but it is flat design. And lastly, we have the extra ear tips, 2 pairs only. So we're done with these items. Now let's have a look at the earbuds. So first impression, it is small and very light. There's the logo at the top there. And here's the LED indicator for battery life. USB port at the back, and the lid is secured with magnets. So now let's take out the earbuds. They are also secured nicely by magnets, so we need to peel off the stickers so that they can be charged up. Right, so here are the earbuds. It has a really unique design. Most earbuds have straight design, but Awei made it a little bent design. Of course, it is made out of plastic material, but a solid one. And so as we place them back inside the charging case, the LED light will lit up to indicate that it is charging. And we can see that here are the 4 LED lights. And also we can see from the top of the lid, there's the LED light from inside the earbuds. It's a simple feature for users to check on the charging earbuds without opening up the lid. Alright, now let's have a closer look on the earbuds. From the left side, we have the logo. At the center, we have the LED light as well as the microphone. And at the far right, we have the touch control area. So here are the two connectors for the charging purposes. The ear tips can be switched. So next is the charging case. So here we have the logo at the top of the lid, and at the bottom we have a little information about the battery capacity, the charging case have about 300 mAh battery. So inside here we have the pin connectors to charge the earbuds, and it is locked nicely by magnets. Alright, now let's connect these earbuds to our devices. Here, let's connect to my phone here. And connecting them is very simple. We need just to turn on the Bluetooth, our smartphone or any other device we prefer. Search for a new device and simply take out the earbuds from the case, and the LED light indicates that it is in pairing mode, and our device will detect them as Awei T10C. And we are connected. Now let's have a look at the more options, and surprisingly we can rename these earbuds, which is a similar feature like the Apple AirPods. We can rename them. Other than that, it is a standard feature for audio control and context synchronization. Now let's try to wear them, and straight away after putting them on, now I know why they made it a bend design. So it is to fit in nicely on our ear shapes. The earbuds are really comfortable and it won't come off easily. Now I'm testing the touch control gesture. So a single tap is to play pause. Double tap on the left earbuds for previous track. Double tap on the right earbuds for the next track. And long press on the right earbuds to increase volume and left side to decrease volume. So testing on the sound quality, I'm not surprised because I've tried different Awei earbuds model before this, and they sounded great. Loud volume, clarity is there, but the bass is just average. Just a quick comparison, I tested the Metro wireless earbuds, and between these earbuds, I can say Awei T10C has a better sound quality in terms of its clarity and the bass. Another extra feature of this product, it supports wireless charging, a convenient way to charge them. Alright, just to recap, here are the items that we will get inside the box. Alright guys, here are the summarized specification and features of this product. Alright guys, my final thought on this product. Awei have been producing great earphones for the past few years. As for this model, it is up to their standards. They sounded great, the battery life is good, it has a stable connection, the touch control is responsive, and it supports wireless charging. Not to mention that the price of this product is quite cheap, but it has tons of features inside. So if you guys are on a tight budget and looking for an earphone that have many tons of features, I would say you can go for this product. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I see you guys in the next video.